Okay, bro, so we have the tickets.
Yay!
These are the tickets.
Okay, so what does it say? Train times. Fare 16.50.
Okay.
Does it say return? Oh, there we go. Metro return adults from Johannesburg to Naledi.
Okay, in Soweto. Okay.
Yeah.
And we are in, guys. We are going to Naledi now in Soweto, and let's do this. Because you guys requested. So if you guys want us to do something around Joburg, just make sure you comment down below so we can cover it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Sure, it's full, eh?
Yeah.
Huge, they go all the way to the other part of the platform. Wow.
You get comfortable.
So what you expecting, bro, to see?
Hey?
Look at us,
Yeah, I'm excited, man. It's like deja vu.
Yeah.
Security guys.
Yep. Now let's wait so we can start the ride. Our destination Naledi. Let's see if the So we're gonna do Fontaine, Langlaagte, Cruises.
Cruises.
We're moving. And this is exclusive only for this
Line, yeah.
for this line.
Yeah.
That's a good idea what they did. They use the building as a billboard. Yeah, we're leaving Fontaine. We're going crazy. Ah! Sure, will be great to catch like shots from outside the train. It'll be so cool. Oh, look at those new buildings.
Yeah.
What is that about?
So these are the old Shosholoza train, long distance trains, right?
Yeah. But look at those buildings. Look at that one.
Ah, yeah, that's in Braamfontein. Yeah.
We need to find out about that stuff.
Like accommodation, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Getting out of Braamfontein, you guys can see the diamond building on that side also. So this is that famous part when you come on the Nelson Mandela Bridge and then you see all the trains.
Yeah.
Xolosse Mail. Is it this like tourism type of trains or what?
These are long distance.
Sure, we should try to do this.
Yeah.
Just for the crazy adventure, you know what I mean? Sure, look at those trains, really cool. Okay.
No, petit speakers, mama. There's new rules. There's new rules, guys. I like what I see here. There's new rules. Very strict. No music. It's no different from the Gautrain.
Yeah, no drinking water. No, what else? Well, I didn't drink
No
anything.
eating.
No eating also.
No speakers.
No smoking, no speakers.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the M1 to Santon.
Yeah. So look at those trains there.
So these were the old trains, right?
Yeah. But look at those ones there.
These were the first ones.
So these are. Yo, how do we go there?
Eh?
I wanna see them.
Yeah, no, these are old. These are like the
Okay,
first
as you can see the security guys there.
This is Braamfontein Station.
Is this a old station?
Right?
This is a old station.
No.
So look at
you're gonna see it as we pass.
these ones are also not probably abandoned.
Where we are was replaced.
Yeah,
These were replaced by where we are now.
by the new ones.
Yeah.
Wow. There you go, guys. We trying the. Look at that. Okay, so this is Braamfontein Station.
So remember when we went to Rodiports, those stations, that's what they used to look like, right?
Yeah.
And that's what,
Yeah.
This is what they stripped, basically.
Yeah. Fully functional.
Should be functional. I wouldn't say fully.
Oh, look at this. So cool.
So these houses, yeah, you know what I mean? That's what they destroyed in those stations.
Wow. I wish to see those stations back as they were.
Yeah.
Sure, but the apparatus, you know, they are JMPD everywhere. Those ones. Man, it's like
Those are
open air
goods- those are
train
goods
museum.
train, yeah, these are goods trains. That's where, you know, back in the days when they used to transport goods. And
Wow.
I think it will pick up. I mean, it's because the stations are too close to.
To each other, yeah. It will be nonsense to catch speed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at it. Sure, that's crazy, eh? Wow.
So it's still a work in progress, right?
Yeah. At least something is happening.
Yeah.
Look at that. And people just taking their lunchtime, I guess. Is this Langlacht?
Langlachte. Langlachte.
Langlachte. We need to clean the stairs. This is like,
Oh, from them to
need to have these stations properly managed.
I'll be late.
Oi, we're speeding up. You can see now, so there's a new wall that they actually are building. So this station is definitely being upgraded.
There was a station here, one.
Yeah.
I think this was across Vienna.
But I think they're probably trying to do something because they are lining and putting posts. Thing is moving.
Yeah. It's picked up.
So Langlacht. There you go. Look at the station, eh? Looks cool. Langlacht station.
I think we left at about
12 past? Yeah. No, 10 past 12.
Yeah, because we're delayed a bit by 2 minutes.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. So from here, from Park Station to here to Langlacht, it's already almost 10 minutes.
Oh, that's so quick.
No, it's not.
It's not quick.
Yeah.
It is quick.
Well, let's see. I think after we've passed all these small stations, it will start moving.
Yeah. Just like you mentioned, the closeness.
Yeah. As you can see, those were houses for employees.
Yeah.
So this was destroyed.
Oh, look, there is still a lot of work to be done, but it's positive.
It's time for rebuilding.
Yeah. Now we just rebuild everything around it. Like, for example, you build a whole train station, you bring development for that area. Now the same thing needs to go with these trains. Now we need to redevelop areas around and just have extremely heavy security.
This is quite enjoyable, actually. I mean,
Yeah.
I really would encourage people to.
Yeah. Just for
an
the tourism
outing,
experience, as an outing, yeah.
Yeah.
So what station is this one?
Process.
Crosses. So you write it. Este cameras é
Longdale Station.
Longdale Station next.
Looks like it's moving.
Yeah. Sure, Joburg has so much potential.
I know.
Okay, we arrived in Longdale Station now.
From Naledi, it's coming now.
So we stay exactly in the same train. We'll do the same trip. Okay, cool.
It's gonna come from. We're gonna meet it here in Canada.
Yeah.
New Canada.
There you
This
go.
is the train.
Sure, it's beautiful, eh? It's flippin' beautiful. Love it. Sure.
So that's the mining of the mine dumps
Yeah.
going on there. You see?
Yeah. So mine dumps is the most common thing around Joburg.
Yeah. Yeah, but they're destroying them. There is another one.
Ah, yeah. So that thing is huge. I'll mention how much gold we needed to take out in order to create these things around here.
No, for 23 grams of gold, you needed to take out. You needed
Sure.
a ton.
What?
To produce 23 grams of gold,
And
you needed a ton.
and these dumps are extremely toxic, you know, because they,
course.
in order to separate the gold from the dirt and all that and all the heavy metals,
they're still there.
it's
So in windy days and where there's dust,
yeah.
you still breathe this.
And we get that into our lungs, right? And we get that to our lungs.
Yeah.
Circle. You get some houses on that side also.
This area, I told you about these structures that are round, like alien.
What is that about?
I mean,
What's
they were-
funny?
They were used for temporary accommodation
Really?
for workers, but now, yeah. But in Florida,
Yeah.
you still find an area whereby
Wow.
they're still well kept. They're still,
So look at this, New Canada. Never heard about this one. Sure, this is huge, right?
I think this station probably didn't get that much damaged.
No, this one was well kept, eh?
Still looks.
That's what I'm saying, you know, something so simple like removing the plants and, you know, keep things clean. A new coat of paint can make so much difference.
What you call city and township. So from here onwards, we're in Soweto.
Now we're going speed on this thing. Because all these trains are servicing, you know, local communities, people that really depend on the train, you know, it's no joke.
Yeah.
These railway lines are very important.
So with New Canada, it's kind of like an interchange
Yeah.
station.
Yeah.
With some trains, this line is going to the
What?
south of Johannesburg, like
Yeah.
Vereeniging.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes you change Roodepoort, that's when you change in New Canada, and then Soweto. So it's kind of like an interchange station.
Guys, I just want to mention that we are so chilled during this trip. We're now entering Soweto. But it's so chilled, this train. You guys don't even understand. Use this as an outing, as a place that you guys come with the family. Just try it. It's really cool. There's nothing wrong with this. It's so cool. Orlando Stadium? There you go.
Thank you for traveling with Metrorail.
If you're an Orlando fan, comment down below. Okay, so we are now in
Zimbabwe,
Zimbabwe,
the White House.
the White House.
That's what it stands for.
What?
Another exciting, I think, opportunity is that if you want to go to Vilakazi Street or Mandela's house, you could use this train as one of the experiences.
And come to the White
You
House
get,
station.
Yes, get off here at Zimbabwe, catch an Uber from here. It's probably like what? 3
50
kilometers
rand.
away? No, 3 kilometers away.
Yeah, but it's
to
like what,
Mandela's
probably
house from here.
50 rand only.
Probably 25 rand.
Oh, 25, yeah?
Yeah.
Super affordable.
So,
Such a cool experience. Eh?
yeah.
Yeah, here they really need to clean this.
Yeah.
We can't accept these type of things. You know? We need to be clean. We are the example. We are the #1 country in Africa. We can't let things grow like this. We are in Soweto, the biggest township in South Africa.
They are the famous towers there.
We also need to do it from a long station. So look at this. Yo, this place is an experience, eh?
Whilst the doors are kept open.
So cool, eh? So look, the Orlando Stadium is still in our range of view.
Yeah.
But people get an idea. So we now in Buffeni. So someone threw a rock into the Delft. So we have been now, it's 12:48. We have been now in the train for half an hour. So these used to be the hostels for the miners.
Yeah.
Sure. So these huge backup stations, eh? So now we're stopping at Dube. Sorry. Is that a station?
Yeah, it's part of the station, yeah.
What? Really cool, eh?
Because the bigger stations, some of them as you go out, there's kind of like a marketplace.
Oh, okay, like stores and
Yes,
there you go. Something to create your own
Yeah.
private business. Okay, there you go. That's Dube station.
Whilst the doors are kept open.
So they last what? 10-15 seconds open. So look at all those goats. You write it like that. IQWEZI. Look, I am so delighted with this. This for me, it's huge. You know, it's a big development in my opinion.
This is such a beautiful station.
Yeah.
Back in the days.
Yeah. So this thing is huge. They even have like what?
Yeah, you see, this one is different from most, you know.
Wow. Okay, let's see if we can get out again. 10 to 15 second rule. Now pick up that one now. Okay, so that's the station. So it looks like.
The train will not leave.
Not many people have seen this part of Soweto, these kind of structures.
Mm-hmm. Say it again, bro.
In Tlazana.
Inklazane.
Yeah.
Inklazane. Inklazane. Então não se vê. Chama-se so much to see in Soweto. Yeah, we went, bro. So the next one will be Marafe. The next is so final Station-Naledi. Next station will be Marafe.
So that's the new development.
Ah, yeah.
Jabulani Junction.
If we take our training system or network properly, again, you know, with confidence, imagine what will spawn actually around around these areas. No, we can go from there with garbage to this. So which one is better? Thank you. I thought so. See if I'm not gonna be stuck here. Hey.
Middle class. Look at those cattle.
Yeah, eh? So according to Mohal, that pedestrian bridge was also built not long time ago. It's what I call the train of hope.
Yeah. Train of hope, definitely.
Station. What's the next station?
That's Naledi.
Naledi?
We are in
Oh, we already
Naledi.
there?
Yeah.
Comfortable, safe, calm, rides really well. It's really cool. I must say, I'm really surprised with this one, and I hope that you have seen now how it works, and you come and do it yourself. Come with your family. Avoid peak hours, because we're not doing this in peak hours. You guys can see it's safe. You guys have security. You know, I think it's cool. It's a really cool experience. I'm really surprised. Well done. Naledi, here we are. How long it will now take?
Naledi means stars.
Naledi means stars. Thank you. I like that. So how long it will take now to go back? Shit, we need to eat something. We haven't ate anything yet. I'm
Well,
starving.
let's find out if we can. What time is the train going back?
Yeah.
See if we can
Go Naledi.
go out the station. Oh, everyone seems to go in that way.
Oh, okay. Sure, this is.
Everyone nicely there.
Look at this, eh? Really cool. And that thing goes all the way there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I hate.
Oh,
Very nice trip, eh? I enjoyed it. How long it will take, bro?
yeah, 1:30. It's going back.
Okay, 1:30. How long? What time it is?
It's 1:15. We've got 15 minutes.
Okay. Bro, what it means is City
I don't even
Mela
know how
Sabantu.
many carriages there are.
I have no idea. What it means is City Mela Sabantu.
The People's Train.
Oh, I like it.
So, yeah, it says an hour, eh? Because we left. Oh, what's that saying? My ticket. Oh.
Do we need the tickets now? or?
Yeah.
Siabonga. Giving a fresh paint. It's a huge dimension project, eh?
Look, I think there's also new colors. It's no more that yellow and gray.
Yeah.
They're using blue now. So
So cool.
must be their new branding.
So, yeah, we should get ready or we're gonna be stuck now for another hour.
Yeah.
Run.
It's moving.
What?
Yeah.
Come, we're gonna lose the train, man. Just fucking go.
How's this? All the way from Johannesburg to Naledi to get
It's a souvenir.
tickets. Yeah.
So this is the whole map of the train. Okay guys, and we are going on our way back. So we got priority seating also, that's a cool thing. Okay, we're arriving in Park Station. So it was punctual, it was safe, it was clean.
Yeah.
Really a very positive review on it. I'm very impressed.
We also saw a lot of work being done. So
Yes.
you can see literally, there's improvements happening.
Yeah.
And it can only get better, you know what I mean?
Yeah. How many stars you will give to
I
this
know,
experience?
I think 5, eh?
5 stars.
I
Yeah.
think that was great. It was my first time and quite a pleasant experience.
It was really, really
Yeah.
incredible. I
Yeah.
must say, congratulations to everyone involved.
Great.
We can see some improvements, which is very important.
Yeah.
Some hope. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, destroy that like button, share, and I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.